If you are looking for how to change table line color in PowerPoint, then don't skip this video. First, you need to go to the insert and click on the table and insert the desired number of rows and column. And this is the default table. After that, go to the table design on the top menu bar and here is the shading. You need to click the no fill and the color is gone. Now click on border, click all borders and now under the draw borders click on this arrow and select the solid line. And here is the width of the line. I'm selecting this one. Pen color is red and then click on the all border and here magic is done. With this way you can easily change table line color in PowerPoint. So if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.